Hey y'all, it's your girl Tiana. I Can Only Be Me, and I am coming at you really quick with a video on how to make chicken parmesan. Now, I'm doing this with chicken tenders that I cut up from those chicken breasts when I did my bulk size meat haul. If you missed that, y'all please go over to my channel and watch my bulk size meat haul live. I did it live, y'all, okay? But I'm going to have it in my playlist with the hauls. That way it'll be quick and easy for you to find it. All right, so let's get right into this real quick. Welcome to all my new subscribers. And welcome back to all my faithful, loyal family members. I love y'all. How y'all doing, sugar boos? Okay, so listen, y'all, let's go on and get into it. I want to thank y'all for coming here. I want to ask that every time you come, please ring the doorbell. If you don't know what the doorbell is the thumbs up, the like button. Hit it one time for your girl if you don't mind. This is 3 eggs that I am beating up. And the ingredients that you're going to need for this is some chicken breast. You don't have to have them cut into strips like mine is. Like I said, I was really gonna make some French fries and some chicken strips. But today is Thursday, so I gotta make something that's gonna, last us or whatever for a couple of days. Y'all know I don't like to make quick stuff for real. So this right here gonna be quick enough for us. I'm finna make this chicken parmesan. I got me some spaghetti noodles. Use whatever kind of noodles that you want to use. If you ain't got nothing but elbow noodles to lay it on, as long as it tastes good, the noodle is not gonna matter. Okay, so I got my water on the stove right here for my noodles, and to my water I added some oil, and I'm about to add some chicken broth. And what that chicken broth is gonna do is flavor my noodles. Okay, so got the chicken broth down in there. So now I'm about to start breading my seasoning. I'm finna start seasoning my chicken strips. Okay, so on my chicken strips I'm gonna be adding my Hey Dust. Hey Dust is my all-purpose seasoning. It comes in 2-ounce sizes. And if you would like any information on my Hey Dust, please email me at Tiana_seasonings@hotmail.com. Okay, I will give you all the information that you would need about my Hey Dust. I have it in a low sodium version, and I have it in a Cajun version. So there's the low sodium version right there that I'm using. And since it's low sodium, I like to add just a little tap of salt, but I'm not gonna add too much salt to it. Just a little tap. That's it. It wasn't even a teaspoon of salt. Okay, so I'm mixing this around and getting the seasoning all over and everything. I'm gonna turn my grease down back here because it's ready to go when we ready to go. Okay, so got that all mixed around. So we got flour, breadcrumbs, eggs, and then we got another pan right here that you don't really see, that we're gonna be laying it on while they getting prepared. Okay, let them sit to the side for a few minutes while we dredge them all. Okay, so first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna go into your flour, because the flour is what's gonna help the seasonings stay on. Okay, so you need you a wet and a dry hand. I'm just gonna go with it. Okay, you're gonna dredge it in the egg. Let that run off of it. Make sure your egg mixture is all over it, all on every little piece of it. Okay, and then you're gonna go right into your your breadcrumbs. Okay, just like that. Just like, look at that. See, I'm messing up already. All right, so this is what they're supposed to look like. All right, so now we're just gonna lay those to the side, and we're just gonna go into the flour. Okay, into the egg. And then into the breadcrumbs. All right, y'all. So I got all the chicken tenders braided, and now we're about to start frying them. So I got my grease is already hot and ready. Hopefully it's hot enough and not too hot. So we're gonna drop those down in the grease and start frying them. I got my noodles going over here in the pot too, y'all. They boiling. Okay, so my noodles is ready, y'all. So down in my pan, what I'm about to do, I'm about to take me some of my sauce, whatever kind of spaghetti sauce that you want to use, that's what you use. But I'm putting some of that down in the bottom of my pan and just spread it around like so. And then I'm just going to, I hope y'all was able to see, but I put it in the bottom of the pan, just enough to cover the bottom of the pan. And so now what I'm about to do, I'm about to take my noodles out of there. I drained them and put them over here into the sauce. Over here into the sauce. And that way I'm going to start coating them with the sauce. You know, while the chicken and everything is still frying. Alright, y'all. This is the chicken tenders. All nicely fried and done. And these is going to lay right on top of the noodles as soon as I get them over in the sauce, okay? They ain't in the sauce yet. Alright, y'all. So, now I'm about to pour some more noodles, sauce, on top of the noodles. Okay? Because you want the noodles to have some sauce on them too. So you're saucing up the noodles. Right? Got that? Alright. So now what we're going to do is we're going to take us these chicken tenders. And we're going to lay them right on top. Just like this. Okay? So when all of them get done, and I lay them on top, I'm going to show you the next step. But this is what we got so far. It ain't done yet, y'all. This video is my 4,000 subscribers thank you video. But I had to do this for y'all because every time we reach a huge milestone like that, y'all, it's huge for me. Every time we reach a huge milestone, I'm going to come and show y'all my appreciation because I appreciate each and every one of you guys. Because if it wasn't for you, I would not be where I am today. So I appreciate y'all and I thank y'all. I thank y'all for loving on me and I thank y'all for supporting me and I thank y'all for watching my videos and I thank y'all for sharing my videos and I thank y'all and I just 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 can't thank you enough. But I just thank y'all for just everything that y'all do. Just everything, just for the comments, for everything, y'all, for everything. I just thank y'all because y'all listen. We got an amazing family over here, y'all, and I'm just so thankful to have such a wonderful group of people that know how to come together and have a good time. And that's all that I like to do, y'all. I'm just all about having a good time. I love to put a smile on people's face, regardless if I gotta act crazy or whatever, but at least I put a smile on your face, and that's all that matters to me at the end of the day. So let's finish cooking up this food. But I just had to tell y'all that this was, you know, the thank you dinner that I was cooking. You know, y'all know that the last time we did I think we did hamburgers the last time or something. One time before we did hamburgers, homemade burgers and stuff. But this time right here is going to be my chicken parmesan. I just thank y'all and I love y'all. And I really do appreciate y'all from the bottom of my heart. I really do. So let's get back to the cooking. All right. Okay, so we're waiting on the last piece of chicken to finish frying. So now we're going to take our spaghetti sauce. You could do a homemade or not, but we're pouring our sauce right on top of the tenders. Like so. Getting some more sauce right here. pour it on top of those right there. Okay. So now we're going to take our cheese. I got some Italian cheese. You can use whatever kind of cheese that you want to use, but I have some Italian. So I'm going to take my Italian cheese and I'm going to sprinkle it right on top. And this going to go in the oven and let them chicken tenders soak up the sauce and everything. And this cheese melt. And we're gonna be done with this chicken parmesan. Yes, baby. Okay, hold on. Okay. So now we're just gonna top it with this parsley. And we're gonna throw this bad boy in the oven just like this. Just like this. All right, y'all, this is the finished look to the chicken parmesan. I hope y'all like it. And once again, I just want to say thank you to each and every one of you guys. If y'all try, let me know. Peace, love, and many, many blessings to each and every one of you guys. Until next time. Y'all already know who this is. It's your girl Tiana. I can only be me. Y'all have a blessed one.